Heart hit hard like a whiskey burn, whole world crashing at every turn. Pieces of me on a cold wood floor, didn't even know what I was fighting for. House felt heavy, dark and mean, smiles on the surface, hell unseen. I felt forgotten, lost in shame, didn't even know how to leave that day. Left with the clothes on my back that day, didn't even know I was leaving that way. Something inside me finally broke, too tired of living life half choked. Said enough and I closed that door, couldn't live like that no more. A voice inside said don't stay here, don't disappear inside your fear. I won't break like I broke before, I won't live that life no more. Held on tight to one last prayer, left the darkness laying there, and I swore right then and there I'd never live like broken glass. No more broken glass. No more broken glass. I worked these hands to the bone, made this lost heart find its home. Now I stand here stronger than the girl who left alone. No more broken glass. No more broken glass. I saved myself with grit and grace, and that turned out to be enough. That quiet voice kept calling me, said, girl, you gotta set it free. So I turned my wheels into the night, trying to make wrong feel right. Didn't look back, just drove away, left that broken life in gray. Every mile I left behind slowly started clearing my mind. Ended up in a brand new town where nobody ever saw me down. No one knew the mess I'd been, or all the storms I lived within. Worked each day just to survive, trying to feel like I'm alive. Built my walls up tall and high, watched my old self pass me by. Faces came and faces went, but my heart stayed heaven sent. I was searching deep in me for peace, truth, and dignity. Step by step I found my ground, in the silence I was found. Every scar and every tear led me right to who I am here. I won't break like broken glass, I won't go back to my past. No more broken glass. No more broken glass. I worked these hands to the bone, made this lost heart find its home. Now I stand here stronger than the girl who left alone. No more broken glass. No more broken glass. I saved myself with grit and grace, and that turned out to be enough. I walked through fire on my own, built a life I call my own. And the woman standing here today ain't the one who broke that